Alright, I'm going to try to do this quick. As you can see, the record player, speakers, I got it sitting on top. You got your lid, goes up and down. In here, you got your little arm, you unlock it. Got to take this off of your needle here, carefully. Then, of course, you got your little arm. You're turn it on, turn it off. So we're going to go through this kind of quick. That's going to be the first album I'm going to be playing. Of course, I'm not going to play hardly any of it because, well, you know how they do things. Anyways, here's something I don't like is this light. When you turn this on, boom, flashes. Except if you connect it to your cell phone or a tablet, that will keep flashing. Drives me crazy. Don't know why they gotta put stupid lights on these things. Now, you turn the record on, it will go to white and stop flashing. The blue means it's trying to connect to a Bluetooth. When you turn the record on, Bluetooth no longer works, so it deactivates it. Turns white, can't stand that at night. Why put lights on it? Don't know, hate that. Anyways, everything else, the record sounds good. I'm gonna let you have a little bit of sound here. Oops. These are old records, by the way. Like I said, that's the one we're gonna be playing. Oops. You can shut this. As long as that's all the way down, if it's up, you can't. Here we go. Alright, better turn that off before they say bad. But anyways, that was that one. I'm going to pause them when I'm switching these. So, be right back. Okay, back. This one is The Little Drummer Boy for Christmas. Let you hear this one. Okay, so that was, you heard that. Sounds good, I like it. Doesn't jam too loud. It does not have a lot of bass, but it sounds really good for the record player. Bluetooth, if you're streaming, I don't really like it. Don't sound that good. I mean, it does, but it don't. What else? Like I said, I hate that light. Once it gets to the end, I think you can see it spinning. Okay, this, you gotta be careful with this. This will drop sometimes if you don't have it all the way back. But when this comes all the way across, as you can see, it'll go, stops. Then when you raise it up and comes back, it'll start for a second until you get back over here, and then it stops. Why they have this on and off switch? See, if I turn this to off, it will constantly move. So this is the auto play on or off, or auto stop. Stops it. Why they put a switch on there, might as well keep it like that. Your speeds, Bluetooth, you can't Bluetooth it to like another Bluetooth box or your headset. It won't allow that. Because like I said, when you play the record, it will stop the Bluetooth from being connected to your phone. You can only stream or Bluetooth from your phone or tablet to this thing. Something I didn't know exactly. I thought when it said Bluetooth, I could do it with headphones, but you can't. Besides that, you heard it. It sounds good for the record player. I like it. I'm keeping it. I hate that light. Stop putting lights on things, people, especially super bright. Don't need it. But anyways, there you go, everybody. It's not bad. I like it. I think it's worth it.
Okay, we got our vintage player with external speakers, U-Dreamer. I like to do video and picture because people like to watch along as well as look at the picture. So I'm going to unbox this. Hole comes pretty small in that one box. There's my hand. So let's open it up. Some of the information, functions, and wireless connection. Same thing there. Okay, so there's your box. Okay, you got your manual. Pretty simple. Turntable. Basically unwrapped it all. Here's your 2 speakers. Okay. That's what they look like. Alright, like I said, I like to do video and picture. Got this in the back. It's going to connect to the unit here. There you go. There's your turntable. And you dreamer. Pretty cool. We're going to get this thing together. Literally takes seconds because I'm assuming, as I did, that you got a left and right speaker there. And this is why I like to do video and picture. You can watch, see, right side, left side, USB, and power. And that's it. Pretty simple. And you could do wireless from your phone as well, as it says right there, wireless. And, all right, let's get this thing together and we'll play some music, see how it sounds. This is your power cord. Pretty simple. Some of the data on here is probably very faint. You're not going to be able to read it. But I'll try, depending on the angle, you could see some of it. There you go. See if I can get a picture of that so you can read it. Stupid light. I'm trying. I shut off all the lights, that definitely helps. And there you go. Okay. Okay, I put a record on there. Got a light on. Let's see. This is live. Let's see how it sounds. Pretty loud. Sounds good. I get high when I see you go by. Sounds very good. I give it credit. When you sigh, my mind inside. Put it all as loud as it can go. That's as loud as it can go. This is why you need video. This is a Beatles record or something. So. Nice. Alright. Put a review, see the pricing, but you got a nice little unit here for plays perfect. Doesn't take up much space. And sounds good.
This is the vintage player with 2 external speakers by uDreamer. I've tried it out already. I put it back in the package because it's a Christmas gift for one of my nephews, but it sounds amazing. Everything is perfect. All discs fit perfectly. Volume is loud. There's wireless connection as well. And this one's the brown one, and I'll give it 5 stars.
Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He's singing a love song as we go along, walking in the winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's a circus clown. We'll have lots of fun with Mr. Snowman until the other kitties knock him down.
If I wait till my tomorrow comes, is the waiting all I've ever done? And will I get to know myself in the place I am, get to fall in love with another man, and understand when you